Today we will apply our durable and environmentally friendly Custom TPO to a test roof. In this video, we will explain the most important steps so that everything runs smoothly. Hot air welders are used to install the membranes. Please note that you must not use adhesives under any circumstances. For welding Custom TPO membranes, you have the choice between a hand welder and an automatic welding machine. We will show you the perfect settings for both tools. For longitudinal seams and butted ends, you should use a 40mm wide nozzle for best results. In order to start properly, it is important to ensure that the nozzles, both of the hand welder and the automatic welding machine, are cleaned properly. Residues could impede the escape of hot air. Adjust to the appropriate working temperature, depending on membrane thickness and ambient conditions, within the welding range of 400 to 620 degrees Celsius, and wait until the operating temperature has been reached. Some models of hand welders have a 10-position controller with intervals of 60 degrees Celsius. If you decide to use an automatic welding machine for a large project, the next step is to determine the working speed. To do this, simply guide the nozzle under the TPO overlap and the device starts to advance automatically. After proper adjustment, the welding work is easy and productive at the proper speed.